Hey people, so I'm at the Nizampet exhibition and just take a look at this. Yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing a cute little shop just dedicated to toy items, like toy steel items. And you have, including a steel cooker over there. And here you can, for $100, you can pick up 5 of these different things. So I remember as a child being fascinated by all of this. Look at this, yeah. How cute is this? And what I found even more amazing is this thing for ₹20. You get a whole, this is called Ooty dry fruits and chocolate varieties, which is, you get Fatafat for 20. Then I picked up some black till sesame seeds. And see, then there's Amla sweets. So we just need to contact this gentleman, Muhammad Khan, and they have a shop at every exhibition. There's no one standard shop, but I find this very amazing. So that's the it's nice being here at Nizampet. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.